Welcome. In this video, you will see pdgmail, which is forensic tool in Linux. From a PD process memory dump, it will find what it can out of the memory image, including contacts, emails, last access times, IP addresses, etc. So let's start. First open terminal and type pdgmail -h to open pdgmail. Here you can see the options -f for file, -b for bodies, -h help, -v verbose, -v version, that is prints just the version info and exits. This expects to be unleashed on the result of running string -el on a PD dump from Windows process memory. Anything other than that, your mileage will certainly vary. Extract artifacts from the file.dump, file.dmp and verbose. So type pdgmail -v-f root desktop file.dump. So that's all in this video on pdgmail forensic tool in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.